This is Couples Court with the Cutlers.
This is the case of Wyatt versus Coleman. You all have been married for 10 years, but your marriage is on the rocks because you believe Miss Coleman may have eyes for another man. Please, Mr. Wyatt, tell me what life is like in your home right now.
Well, as of now, Your Honor, I'm living in turmoil. I've been with my wife for about 15 years, married 10. It was great at first. We were a perfect couple. Lately, things have been on the rocks. She doesn't answer her phone. It's like she doesn't want me anymore, but she just needs me.
Wow. Wow.
How does that make you feel as a man?
As a man, it's degrading. It makes me feel less of a man.
Yeah, because nobody wants to just be needed. You want to be wanted in a relationship, desired.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sought after.
Yes.
So if you're not getting that, it's probably keeping you on edge.
On edge. Almost off the cliff.
Oh, my goodness.
Miss Coleman, you have this look on your face as if you're shocked that he feels degraded, that he feels unwanted.
I am shocked. I mean, I love my husband. I've been loyal to my husband. I mean, I need and want my husband. So I'm just kind of confused on, you know, why would he think that he's not needed or wanted?
But is your testimony that you're not cheating?
No, I'm not. Absolutely not.
What makes you believe, Mr. Wyatt, that your wife has eyes for another man?
Well, Your Honor, as I'm watching TV, I hear the phone ring, and it's laying in the middle of the bed next to me, so...
Whose phone?
It's LaQuia's.
Okay.
Okay.
So I look at it, and it's a picture. So when I get the picture, I actually open the phone up. Now I want to see what this is. I open the phone up, look at the picture. It's a penis.
And I'm presuming you didn't send that message.
No, it wasn't mine.
Yeah.
It wasn't yours.
It wasn't mine. Yeah, no, not at all.
So you are looking at your wife's phone and it's looking back at you.
Yes.
All right, Miss Coleman.
Yes.
Gotta ask the question. Whose penis was on your phone?
Judge Cutler, I have no clue. This penis picture that he's talking about?
Yes.
I don't know if he was imagining it or maybe he accidentally deleted it. I don't know. But
You
when
never
he
saw
gave me, I never saw it.
Have you gotten these kind of pictures before?
Yes.
Did you know who they were coming from?
It's friends on social media.
What kind of friends you
Not
got?
personal friends of mine, but just friends, you know, on my Facebook page.
Okay, but Mr. Cutler, I'm on Facebook, and I can honestly tell you, I ain't got a friend of a friend, or a friend of a friend of a friend who has ever sent me a special picture like that.
But see,
Yeah, and
I mean, I'm just as shocked as you guys are.
just so our record here is clear, are you asking for those pictures, or are you just making a statement?
No.
You're just making a statement.
I'm just trying to...
You're just making a statement.
I am absolutely making a statement, and
Okay.
moreover, I want to keep the status quo.
Okay, all right. Yeah, but so, yeah, you don't have anybody who would send you pictures, and I gotta say, you said that it was something that he imagined, that he just, no guy's gonna imagine that on his wife's phone. I mean, that is not something that you just go through the phone,
I sure wish I would find.
Yeah. No.
Well, when he gave me the phone, I went through. I didn't see any penis pics in there. Absolutely not.
So this is the case of the missing penis.
The missing penis.
Because I didn't see it.
You never saw it.
I didn't see it.
What else did you find that made you suspicious?
Okay, the car.
The car.
Okay, she gets new cars, and I was wondering, how do she get these new cars? I didn't give her any help for these new cars.
Okay.
All right.
I'm wondering how she got that.
Okay.
Her explanation is she got it off a car lot.
All right.
Yeah,
That's
I went with
possible.
that.
Grown woman,
I went
she
with
get a
that.
car.
But then, this is when I went through the phone, I see these messages. He sent a message, she replied. Her reply was, I'm sorry I'm late, but how about a sexual favor for being late? But
So is this somebody she bought the car from?
That's what I'm assuming. I still don't know.
And so now you believe that they have something going on.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Coleman, is that how we're addressing this issue of a late payment?
No.
Okay, tell me.
Well,
I mean,
he did see that in my phone, I'm gonna admit. But, I mean, it was just, I guess, funny. I mean, I was just talking. No. I know it was inappropriate. No, I know it was inappropriate, but you know, this guy, me and this guy has been friends since forever. I mean, forever.
Is it somebody you've ever been intimate with?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you had a past relationship with this man. Wow. You owe him money, and you're offering something other than money with somebody you've slept with in the past.
Well, I mean, he know I was joking.
Who knew you? Who knew?
The guy.
The guy knew you were joking?
Yeah.
But your husband doesn't know that you joking.
I know.
How you know this other person didn't know you were joking?
He do. He do.
Are you sure about that?
Positive.
Well,
there's his side, there's her side, and there's this man who thinks there's a joke going on. He's here. Bring him in, Ron, please.
Yes, sir.
We're about to find out.
We're gonna go up to the witness stand.
would you state your name, please, for the record?
Demetrius Moore.
And Mr. Moore, what is your relationship to Ms. Coleman?
She's a childhood friend. I've been knowing her since we about like 12 years old. I met her through a family member and, through the YMCA. And we just been friends, and she lives in the neighborhood, so it was like we was right there with each other.
Have you been sexually intimate with Ms. Coleman?
Yeah, so we had a past relationship when I was younger. We had lost contact, and we ended up getting involved with have like a little fling when I was like 19. Okay. Lasted about like 6 months, perhaps, 6 or 7 months. Then after that, we lost contact again. Then she reached out to me saying she was looking for a car.
Ah.
So you're the person who sold her the car?
Exactly.
All right.
Exactly.
And she suggested that...
No, see, she owed me a couple $100, and I said, oh, okay, you can just keep the rest because she said she was going through something. I was like, just give me $100 and just give me the rest of my money. And she replied back, I would do something strange for some change.
Something strange for some change.
He know that's how I talk and play. He know that.
And you said it was a joke.
Yeah, I mean, that's how I talk.
And you didn't mean anything by it, and you weren't really serious, and it was just understood it was a joke.
Just a joke.
Did you understand it to be a joke?
I mean, when you send an egg flag emoji, I mean, everybody know you want that action.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
She ain't never sent it to me, Your Honor.
Wait. Has she ever said something like that to you?
No.
Were you aware that's what she put out there?
No.
Well, I got a couple text messages if y'all want to see.
All right, yeah, let's take a look at those.
So my question is, have the sexual offers ended at the car?
Oh no, she got more aggressive.
All right.
She just texted me.
All right.
So these are between Ms. Coleman and you, correct?
Exactly.
All right. And what? Me wanting to blank you?
I don't see you like that. We just friends.
We can't be friends.
Wow, really?
Every time I think about you, I get real blank between my legs. I have dreams about you.
Yeah.
I like hearing your voice. I like looking at you. I'm sorry, Miss Coleman. Is this you being jokey still?
No, I don't even recall none of that.
You don't recall that? What? How could you not? Do you send these text messages so regularly that you don't recall sending something like this?
No.
Yes.
I mean, you said, this is how I talk. Everybody knows how I talk. Is this just how you talk?
I don't think that's me.
Well, Mr. Moore sent another text message from you. It says, had another one, dream.
About?
You already know. Tongue sticking out, eggplant emoji.
Who was in it?
Us.
What was being done?
Man, I don't think I ever blank like that before. Just straight nasty. Freak nasty.
Now, don't tell me you don't remember sending that either.
Oh, gosh, I don't.
You don't remember sending these stories?
No.
When was the last time you received texts like this from Ms. Coleman?
Last week.
Last week?
Last week.
Do you have those?
I got those as well.
All right, let us take a look at last week. So it says, can I come wink eye emoji with the tongue sticking out.
Come where? Girl, you better quit your blank.
Can I come? Eggplant emoji, winked eye, tongue hanging out, and I don't know, strong arm?
Yeah. You know we're not on that. Like I told you, focus on your husband. And then you send a picture of her husband just to remind her to focus on her husband.
Exactly.
And her response is, now why you do that?
That's your husband.
And he's not who I'm talking about. Can I come see Big D?
Now, you know I ain't showing my blank to you. You married. You took vows.
So, Mr. Moore, you trying to say, stop it, you're a married woman.
I mean, yes.
Miss Coleman, this was just this past weekend.
What?
You don't remember this?
I don't.
You probably gotta call me Big D. Call me Big D.
Do you remember texting Big D?
Big D? Who is Big D?
Oh, okay, so you don't know that name either. Mr. Wyatt, what are you thinking when you're hearing this and seeing this?
I mean, not no different. It's the way it's been going on for, like I said, the last couple of years. It's been going just like this. It's the same thing.
You've been telling her, look, I know something's going on, I think something's going on, and she's like, nope, don't know what you're talking about. I don't know where you're getting this from. Yeah, it must be in your head. We've heard from Mr. Moore. Do you think that she is involved with anybody else?
If you're involved with one, what makes you not? I mean, I think she would go with the other ones.
What makes you believe that?
Just recently, at 12 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, when I just see this text message, it made me think about it, that she just woke up and was like, you know what, I'm going to drink. I'm getting dressed, I'm gonna go.
Saturday morning?
12 o'clock in the morning on Saturday.
Okay.
I'm going to drink. You wanna come? You just woke me up. You think I wanna just get up and get dressed and go? Nah, I'm cool. Okay, cool. She go in there, put her makeup on. I mean, like, when she come out of the bathroom, completely dressed. I mean, looking perfect. So I'm like, why did you do all that to go over to a house to drink? Are you going out to a bar, to a club?
Right.
No, none of that. I'll be home in a minute.
And this is a week before you're coming here trying to save your marriage.
Yes.
And she's going out at 1 o'clock in the morning without you.
Right. So I go to sleep.
I'm grown.
Okay, wait a minute.
I can leave and come back when I want to leave and come back.
Miss Coleman, who were you going to see at 1 in the morning dressed to the nines?
Okay, I had 4 clients that day. I do hair too. So I had 4 clients that day. I mean, it took me a while. My family was in from out of town. You know, kept calling me, hey, where you at, when you coming? Okay, I explained to them, when I'm done with my last client, I will be there. It took me a little longer than expected, but yeah, it was 1 o'clock in the morning. I still left and went.
Okay, but he said you got up out of bed, am I right?
I wasn't in bed, I was doing hair.
I was in bed. I thought she was getting ready to go to sleep with me. She's sitting next to me in the bed. She wasn't dressed.
And so then then all of a sudden she's like, I'm going out.
Yep.
Okay, let's say that's true though. Why'd you have to get all fixed up to go do hair, go do your clients?
Because I'm grown, and if I feel like getting dressed and putting on makeup and doing my hair, then that's what I'm gonna do.
You're grown.
I'm grown.
But you're married.
What that got to do with me putting on clothes and doing my hair?
Well, I think it's all of this all together because it has the stench of you cheating.
Well, I don't care.
Well, then you're probably in the wrong place if you don't care.
Well, he's probably in the wrong place. I'm in the right place.
She was going.
Wait, you don't care that your husband thinks you're cheating?
No.
And what I'm seeing from you is a lot of disrespect, which I'm gonna let you slide that first one. But you ain't
disrespect what?
Huh?
What you mean, a lot of disrespect?
A lot of disrespect toward this court, because you're like, I don't care. Well, if you don't care, why are you here?
Y'all brought me here. That's
No, I didn't bring you here.
Well, I can leave.
Brought you here.
No, I can leave.
Say no more.
On that.
All right, Mr. Wyatt, I'm not sure what her understanding of this was, but you came here to get some answers.
Yes.
Now, you've got a whole lot of information from Mr. Moore that she's trying to get with him. Now, she can say that's how she talks and that's how she is, but you know what? Grown people will tell you exactly who they are. And she has told you who she is.
So, Mr. Wyatt, now that she has shown you who she is, I mean, you've got it here in black and white. And in your heart of hearts, you are probably convinced this is not the only person she's sending these kind of text messages to.
Well, clearly, because she got a penis pic and it wasn't his, wasn't yours, it's somebody's.
I mean,
whether she's sleeping with somebody or not, what she doesn't want to do is be monogamous with you. And so here's the thing. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to be loved in a way that represents how you're living. You're like, I'm out here working, I'm trying to support my family, I'm trying to do the right thing. We have women in here every day who want a man just like you.
When you leave here, talk to our counselor. He will help you figure out how you make your next move, how you make your next step, how you get over this hurdle and get on with your life, and what you can do to find someone who is going to be there for you the way you want them to be there for you, the way you deserve to have someone there for you. As we say in this courtroom, don't cheat yourself out of a chance for a happy, healthy, trusting relationship. Court is adjourned.